In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import invoices into Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, which options to choose, and how to make sure your data lands in the right place the first time. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard and head over to the left sidebar. Open the sales section to work with your sales transactions. From there, choose invoices to bring up your invoice list. This is where the import tool lives. Look toward the upper area of the page for the three-dot More Options menu. Click that, then select Import Invoices to launch the import workflow. On the import screen, click Choose File and select your prepared CSV or spreadsheet. It's best if the first rows of your file contains clear column headers, such as invoice number, customer name, invoice date, and so on. Keep invoice numbers unique. Make sure customer names match how they appear in Zoho Books and use consistent date formats to avoid mismatches. If your file includes item details, ensure each line item is in its own row with quantity, rate, and tax information where applicable. When your file is ready, proceed by clicking Next. You'll now see the field mapping page. This is the most important step of the process. For each column in your file, choose the matching field in Zoho Books. Map essentials like customer name, invoice number, invoice date, due date, currency, and terms. Then map your line item details such as item, description, quantity, rate, discount, and tax. Pay attention to date formats. If your file uses day, month, year, but Zoho expects month, day, year, adjust the mapping or the source data so dates import correctly. If there's a column you don't need, you can leave it unmapped, but make sure all required fields are covered. Take a moment to double check that numerical fields, like amounts and quantities, are mapped to numeric fields to prevent errors. When everything looks right, click. Next, to move to the confirmation screen. Here, review the summary of what will be imported and note any fields that weren't mapped. If something seems off, go back and correct it before proceeding. When you're confident, click. Finish to begin the import. Zoho Books will process the file and notify you when it's done. You'll see your imported invoices appear in the list. If any rows fail, Zoho will provide an error report you can download, fix, and try again. That's all there is to it. From sales to invoices, through import, choose file, next, careful field mapping, next again, and finish. Your invoices are now in Zoho Books and ready to use.